The story of a magic world. One day, after school, Lisa was thinking about the story of a magic world that her teacher had read to them that morning. The story was about dragons, princesses, goblins, fairies, fighters in a faraway land, and she was fascinated. That night, she told their parents the story at dinner, and then she fell asleep. But when she woke up, Lisa wasn't in her home. She was in a tiny village. The houses were so little. Who would enter there? I knew the answer. Goblins. Cute goblins. Everyone was looking at her, but no one was surprised. Everyone was waiting for Lisa with a great bucket at its size. After spending a week in the magical world, she wanted to return to the real world with her friends and family. So they made their way to the portal, accompanied by Gus, a very friendly goblin who, in the days they spent together, became her best friends. In the way, they ran into a giant. He didn't let them pass until Lisa and Gus solved the next riddle. I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. What am I? But Gus was so wise, so he answered, a candle, and they could go their way. When they arrived to the portal, Gus gave her a magic feather, which every time she blew, she could return to the magical world, and suddenly the alarm clock rang. It was a dream, but what Lisa didn't know was the magic feather was on her nightstand, waiting for another adventure. That's it for today. If you like my story, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.